Hello mga kahay, kamusta kayo? Punta naman tayo sa explore naman natin yung yung US. Sa US naman tayo. So, let's try kung magkano yung halimbawa departing from US kayo. Kunwari sa LAX. Hanap tayo ng murang flight dyan. And leave this open. And for example, December kayo pupunta. Kunwari, magki-Christmas kayo sa LA hanggang January, let's say, ganyan. 15 days, 14 days. Days. Tapos, explore lang natin. Tanggalin natin si Germany. Explore lang natin yung US. So, ira-round trip natin siya. So, anywhere in the United States, check natin kung magkano ang mga flights sa US. Let's see. Ayan. Ayan, kung Honolulu, galing ka ng LAX. And that's about 48,000. So, this is Christmas holidays from December 21 to January 2. So, that's around 48,000 via Hawaiian Airlines, United, Southwest Airlines. So, meron tayong 48,000 na pinakamura. Kung LAX, from LAX tayo, going to Chicago, 14,000, Boston, 7,000, Winnipeg, 31,000, Bozeman, 21,000, Oregon, Portland is 11,000, Tucson, how much is it? Around 18,000. Kung sa San Diego siya is 10,000. Malapit lang siya. 1 hour, San Francisco, 1,000. Denver, shuttle, 21,000. Toronto, Boston. Ayan. Daming flight, oh. Buffalo, Detroit, Pittsburgh, Cleveland, Columbus, Washington, D.C. Siyempre, kung nasa US ka na, stay ka doon ng 13 days, ang holiday. Tapos, punta ka ng 2 or 3 US states. Ayan mo. Kung magsa South America ka. Yan yung price. So, ito yung border. So, Santa Fe is 25,000. And this Albuquerque, 22,000. Phoenix, Las Vegas. From here, LAX, El Centro, El Centro, El Centro, Yuma. So, Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona, Grand Canyon Village. Gusto niyo pumunta dyan? Page, St. George, Durango, Delaware, Moab, Gunnison, Aspen, Colorado Vale, so, ang dami mapupuntahan. Ewan ko na lang kung ubusan ka ng flight. It's either you flight or you by land. Go by land.